kindergarten. This week in our reading stories, we're talking about school, going to school. Yesterday we read a non-fiction book. That means it's something that really happened about real boys and girls and their school. Today we're going to read a story that is definitely a fiction story. It means it is a made-up story, and this is even a fantasy because there's going to be some things that happen in this story that could not really happen in real life. I want to see if you can figure out what tells you that this story is a fantasy, that it's not real life. This is called How Do Dinosaurs Go to School? It was written and illustrated by Jane Yolen and Mark Teague. How does a dinosaur go to school? Does he walk? Does he ride in a busy carpool? Does he drag his long tail? Is he late for the bus? Does he stomp all 4 feet? Does he make a big fuss? When he gets to the school, does he roughhouse and punch? Does he make a quick grab for a classmate's packed lunch? Does he race up the stairs straight ahead of the bell? Does he interrupt class with his own show and tell? Does a dinosaur yell? And when in the classroom, plunked down in his chair, does a dinosaur fidget with his tail in the air? Does he like to growl during chalk talks or roar out of turn? Does he make it too hard for the others to learn? Does he stir up the classroom by making a noise? Does he tease all the girls? Does he pick on the boys? No. A dinosaur carefully raises his hand. He helps out his classmates with projects they've planned. At recess he plays with a number of friends and growls at the bullies till bullying ends. He tidies his desk, then leaps out the door. Good work, little dinosaur. All right, I want to see what you saw in that story that tells you that this is a fantasy story. That is something that would not actually happen in real life. I also want you to think about who were the characters in this story. I want you to talk to somebody in your house about what characters, what people or animals or creatures were in our story. So think about that and talk to someone about those things at your house, okay? I'll talk to you tomorrow.